Okay.
Hi there! Hello fellow armies! Eto na, dumating na din finally my purchase of BTS Oreos. So i-unbox na natin. And let's see kung talagang legit ito. Kasi grabe, sobrang na-delay siya ng how many days. Tapos na yung concert sa Busan at lahat. Ngayon lang dumating. So, BTS, my OT7, happy festa! Happy 13 years birthday! And I hope you have 13 more to come. Here! Oreo has a collaboration with BTS, so here it is. I purchased 3 in 1. But this is the famous BTS Oreos hot yolk. It's brown sugar pancake flavored. And two of the original Oreo flavors. Pero meron tatak na BTS daw. So let's see. According to the reviews of others, each cookie has 13 different designs. And then we'll taste it later. And then this one, I don't know if it's the same, but we'll open it too. So, out of curiosity, let's see if it's complete. Okay. Ay! Hindi pala siya individually wrapped. Ooh, okay. I don't know how to do this. Will I open each and every one?
Open mo na pa.
If I open each and every one, we're forced to eat it all.
On lang muna.
Look. Ay. Look at this. The design, there's BTS. There's the finger heart. Then we have this BTS loves Oreo. Hala, we're forced to eat. Kamusta ang ating blood sugar? And then we have, what's this? The BTS with all of their names. That's what I read with the others. And then, what's this? What's it say? Is it upside down? I'm not wearing my glasses eh.
Ayan.
What does it say? Hello,
BTS Army.
Ah,
Dear BTS Army.
oh, okay. Then this is the light stick. Ah, okay. So far, wala pang repetition. With me is my daughter Ali and her husband Jess. And then, this, may repetition na.
Ayan na.
Yan.
Si BTS.
May repetition. Oh, of course, meron yan for sure. What's this? Our Philippines. Uy?
Our happiness. BTS Army.
Our happiness.
Oo, our happiness.
Sorry,
BTS
basa ko
Army.
Philippines. Ano ba yan? And then, we have biggest voice.
Oh, our biggest voice. BTS Army.
Yan. Then, wala, buksan na lahat. What's this? Leads to us. This is repetition. Then, ito, what's this?
Dear BTS Army. Or repetition ulit.
Wala. Siyempre may repetition yan. Dami ba naman. Pero ano, konti lang siya compared sa ano. The best. Ulit siya, no? Ulit na ba?
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9 designs.
My goodness. Am I opening everything? This is new.
That's the logo.
Logo. And then, here. Again, no? That's fine. I'm sure we will eat everything. Our biggest voice. Again. Is it it?
Na yung sa dulo.
Here? This one? Here?
Ah.
Oh my god. I hope I don't have to open all of it. So, pero nakakatuwa. It's individually wrapped. What's this? Our biggest voice.
Voice.
Again. Ano ba yan? Ayan, our happiness.
Yeah, our happiness.
Here. And this one is here also.
Yes.
Oh dear. Our biggest boys, BTS. Hala ka, ano ba yan? Namubuksan na lahat.
Ilan na lang kulang?
Ano? Ito. Competition again. No. Hala, ano ba yan? BTS loves Oreo. Pero okay na rin. Hala, nabuksan ko na ata lahat. Ano ba yan?
Ilan na lang, oh.
Titikman pa natin. I think this is new.
Every twist. That's new.
That's already 11.
No.
Best BTS Army.
Dear BTS Army. Repetition na yan, yes.
That's 11. I heard it's 12. 13. Our happiness. Ulit na to eh. No?
Yes.
Ito,
Yung matangkad na. Eh.
Oh. Last na siya! Hala, binuksan ko na lahat. Kailangan
Ano, may missing ano pa. BTS.
Ano new to?
Hindi.
Holy Lord. Hala, bus na. And that's this.
Dear BTS Army. Ay, kulang ng
Isa na lang.
dalawa.
Dalawa.
Kulang ng dalawang designs. Ano, may last cookie.
Ay, hindi. Ulit siya.
Oh.
How many did we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 11.
Diba? Ano pa yung 13 na yung pag-13? Kasi 13 designs siya. Wala, I'm not gonna open this anymore.
There are 27 cookies to a box.
Try it.
Sabi to twist daw. What the hot dog to? Ano, hot dog. What is a hot dog? It's a brown sugar pancake. Saan yung pancake? Budol ba to?
Hindi. Wala kayong lasa. Try it.
Sige. Same. Tastes the same. Because obviously it's not chocolate. I mean, you know, but the cream tastes the same. Sweeter. Nasaan ba to? Sana legit siya ha. I can't tell kasi wala yung brown stuff. But I'm happy I got it and finally na-satisfy din yung curiosity. Oh, I'm not gonna keep this. I got this from Shopee. All 3 packages. Mga 230 lang siya. Pero there's another package there. 1,000 something. It has stickers and maybe mas legit. Bye! Hope you get yours soon.